You can stitch a simple, small, hand-embroidered butterfly using detached chain stitch. I like to start with the bottom wing, this way it's easier to have your top wing overlap later. Remember that you have a bit of control when doing the detached chain stitch. Because I've drawn my wings to be somewhat full in shape, I'll pull loosely when securing my stitch. If I pull too tightly, the stitch will look more like a line than a teardrop. When bringing your needle up for the top wing, do your best to come through the same hole as the first or as close to it as you can. This technique works great for creating small butterflies. The two larger butterflies I've already stitched were created with a different technique. They were a bit too big for detached chain stitch. For more detailed instructions on how to do this and loads of other things in hand embroidery, make sure to visit my blog. I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video.